Hello everyone, this is Dr. Gauri here on Skin Revive with my new DIY beauty recipe, which is pomegranate and aloe vera face mask. But we are doing little twist in this by taking pomegranate juice and aloe vera gel. So what we will do is, this is 4 tablespoons of pomegranate juice which I am adding it to this bowl, and this is 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. So mix it together. See, pomegranate, why I am taking this, it is rich with anti-aging properties. It will help against fine lines, wrinkles, and it will give you instant hydration, whereas aloe vera is for soothing. So I'm mixing this ingredient. I have this already pre-cutted tablet, which is named as compressed tablets, which are pre-cut sheets which has eye opening, nose and mouth opening on it. But if you don't have this, you can use wet wipes, but rinse it off before you use wet wipes, and cut the portions for eyes, nose and for the mouth. Now I'm just dipping this sheet here, so you can see it will take all these ingredients, will be soaked in it. Okay, so all the ingredients are soaked in this. So what we need to do is take a cleanser and cleanse your face first, and then we have to apply this sheet. I'm just showing you on my hand. See, it has a pre-cut portions for eyes, nose and mouth, and I'll just show you. See, it's very cooling. Keep it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes if you want, and then take it out. So you can cover all your face with the sheet. Leave it on for like about 10 minutes and then rinse it. You don't have to rinse it off. You can just remove it and keep it. It will give you hydration anyways. But don't keep more than 10 minutes. If you keep more than 10 minutes, it will take away excess moisture from your skin. So this is how it looks, and this is how I'm not applying on my face because I can't do it without mirror. So it's like this. So I'm just keeping it down. What are the benefits of it? Aloe vera, as we all know, has soothing properties. Pomegranate will give you instant hydration, and as well as it will help if you have a sun damaged skin. It's excellent remedy for it. So do try it yourself and give me your feedback. Thank you.